Welcome to Bestsellers Market, the channel where we bring you the hottest and most sought-after products on Amazon. Today, we're diving into a thrilling countdown of the best-selling exhaust systems and parts that are taking the market by storm. From superior performance enhancements to durable, high-quality parts, these products are topping the charts and earning rave reviews. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your vehicle's exhaust system, we've got the ultimate guide for you. Without further ado, let's go. Number 5 on our list is the MagnaFlow Performance Exhaust Muffler 10416. This is not just any muffler, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design, promising to transform your driving experience with its signature, deep, resonating sound. Imagine this, a 4 inches x 4 inches round body crafted from stainless steel, finished with a sleek satin touch. It's more than just an accessory, it's an upgrade to your vehicle's soul. MagnaFlow's meticulous dyno testing ensures that this muffler doesn't just look good. It boosts your engine's power and performance by optimizing the flow dynamics and the evacuation of exhaust gases. Picture your vehicle breathing easier, running smoother, and sounding like a true powerhouse on the road. The internal architecture of this muffler is a marvel. With a straight-through perforated core and 2-stage acoustic packing, it maintains the velocity of exhaust flow, generating that smooth, deep exhaust tone that MagnaFlow is renowned for. Versatility? Absolutely. The universal fitment of the 10416 allows for custom placement and orientation, making it adaptable to the specific needs of your vehicle. While professional installation is recommended, the customization options are nearly endless, ensuring a perfect fit for a wide range of vehicles, from Audi to Volvo and everything in between. And let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with it. MagnaFlow backs this performance gem with a limited lifetime construction warranty. That's right, worry-free ownership is part of the package. Elevate your vehicle's performance and sound with the MagnaFlow Performance Exhaust Muffler 10416. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in automotive excellence. Next up at number 4 on our list, we have the Walker 36326 Universal Exhaust Flex Pipe. This isn't just an ordinary piece of hardware. It's a flexible, reliable solution for your vehicle's exhaust needs. Compatibility is key. The universal fit ensures adaptability, but it's crucial to check the product dimensions and your vehicle's specifications. Enter your vehicle's details, year, make, model, engine, and trim to ensure a perfect match. Now let's dive into the complete solution it offers. The package includes an 18-inch aluminized flex tubing and a U-bolt clamp. It's designed to provide you with everything you need for a seamless installation. Flexibility is where this product truly shines. Available in various pipe diameters, it can meet the specific requirements of your vehicle. Note, it may require some fabrication and welding, so consult the product specifications for detailed information. And here's a tip. Use premium Walker accessories when installing this flex pipe alongside Walker catalytic converters and mufflers. This ensures a complete and optimal exhaust system upgrade, enhancing both performance and durability. The Walker 36326 Universal Exhaust Flex Pipe, a versatile, comprehensive solution for those seeking reliability and performance in their vehicle's exhaust system. Taking the third spot in our top 5 countdown is the Holley 135 10 Carburetor Diaphragm. This isn't just any carburetor part, it's a testament to Holley's commitment to quality and performance. Holley quality. The name alone inspires confidence. This genuine Holley carburetor diaphragm is crafted to meet the highest standards, ensuring you get top-notch performance and reliability. Now let's get into the details. This diaphragm is specifically designed for use with alcohol-based fuels, making it a perfect choice for those looking to optimize their vehicle's fuel system. The GFL-T-type diaphragm ensures durability and resistance to the unique challenges posed by alcohol fuels, providing a robust and long-lasting solution. One thing to note, this product does not include screws. You'll need to ensure you have the appropriate hardware for installation, but rest assured, the quality of this diaphragm more than makes up for it. Upgrade your vehicle's carburetor system with the Holley 135 10 Carburetor Diaphragm. Genuine parts, unmatched performance, and the reliability you expect from Holley. This is an essential component for anyone serious about their vehicle's performance. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling exhaust systems and parts on Amazon? If so, don't let your excitement stall out. Rev up your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon so you never miss out on more high-octane content. Securing the second spot in our countdown is the Thrush Muffler Deep Performance Tone. This isn't just any muffler. It's an icon, revered for its classic sound and robust performance. Let's talk about that sound. The tri-flow design delivers the unmistakable thrush tone, a deep, throaty roar that's music to any car enthusiast's ears. This isn't just about noise. It's about making a statement every time you hit the gas. Engineered to last, this muffler boasts a 100% aluminized coated shell and spun lockheads, ensuring durability and long life. Whether you're cruising down the highway or revving up at the track, you can trust this muffler to keep up with your demands. Flexibility is another hallmark of the Thrush Muffler. Its customizable design comes in various styles and sizes, offering a universal fitment. You might need specialized fabrication or welding, but the end result is worth it. A muffler that fits your vehicle like a glove. Specs? This muffler comes in multiple body styles and inlet-outlet size configurations, including 2-inch, 2.25-inch, and 2.5-inch options. For detailed specs, refer to the product specifications to find the perfect match for your setup. The versatile design includes a reversible flow feature, providing maximum flexibility for customized installations. Tailor it to your vehicle's unique needs and enjoy the performance boost. And for that added peace of mind, Thrush backs this product with a 90-day limited warranty. Buy with confidence, knowing that you're covered by a trusted name in the industry. Elevate your vehicle's exhaust system with the Thrush Muffler Deep Performance Tone. Classic sound, engineered durability, and unmatched flexibility. This muffler is a true champion. And now, claiming the top spot in our countdown, the Design Engineering 010301 High-Temperature Silicone Coating Spray. This product is the epitome of protection and performance, crafted to meet the highest demands of automotive enthusiasts. Imagine this: lasting protection for any hot surface, capable of withstanding temperatures up to a scorching 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. This isn't just about enduring heat. It's about ensuring your components are safeguarded against the harshest conditions. What makes this spray exceptional? It penetrates, seals, protects, and extends the lifespan of your exhaust wrap. It's like giving your vehicle's vital parts an invisible armor, ensuring they remain in peak condition, mile after mile. Versatility is key here. Whether it's exhaust headers, pipes, engine blocks, or any other application requiring a high-temperature coating, this spray delivers. It works flawlessly across various surfaces, providing uniform protection and enhancing performance. And let's not forget the robust defense against abrasions, hot oil spills, and road grime. Your vehicle faces a multitude of challenges daily, and this silicone coating spray stands as a vigilant guardian, shielding your components from wear and tear. For the best results, it's recommended to use this spray with DEI non-titanium exhaust wraps. Together, they form an unbeatable combination, delivering superior protection and performance enhancements. Crowning our list at number 1, the Design Engineering 010301 High-Temperature Silicone Coating Spray isn't just a product. It's a revolution in vehicle maintenance. Protect, enhance, and prolong the life of your vehicle's critical components with this top-tier solution. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling exhaust systems and parts on Amazon. To stay in the loop with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.